Okay, boys and girls, a quick 4th of July toss. Just a very short one. Lots of youngsters in here. Got a couple of old birds just to lead them back. 4th of July, no fireworks. They're all okay. All right, let's do it. Come on, come on. All right, there they go. Got whistle in mouth, whistle in hands, just in case. Notorious hawk area. So I'm counting, I thought they looked like they split up there. 4, there was like 22, I think. Come on, guys. You need to get up. Get away from those trees. All right. They're just messing around low. Sometimes they really... in the right direction, but I don't know why they're screwing around low. Get up and get to the house. It's only 0.7 of a mile. It's a little over half mile. But it's the first toss for most of them. Okay, guys, get some elevation. And that's enough. Stay tuned. Don't forget to hit the subscribe and the notification. I'm going to beat them back, it looks like.